take you from me. I could have done things, but me not do. I left everything in God's hand. I want you dream me and tell me what you want. That when I come, me carry it to you. You me baby? I must say me love you and you are my only son. But what? You dead left 2 grand give me. I take care of them. I want you dream me. Me not vex with you now because I love you and you are my son. But you see anybody who take you from me, they might go down. And you see karma, Papa. You see when karma come for them, I tell you, you not go normal because I want me left everything in God. And me not do nothing because I left everything to God. Just do it and work because you're no gunman, you're no bad man. If you done there with the girl, you ain't bad. You done there with the girl and the girl man kill you. But remember me tell you, say, him not gonna live to kill another one. Remember me tell you, him not gonna live to kill another one. Him kill you, he kill the girl and kill you, but he not gonna live to kill another one. Remember me tell you, because God a go work. We see when God a work, God go and work. Remember me tell you. Remember, me love you, I am a son. You just want to dream me and tell me everything you want, just dream me. Me will make you get it. Yeah, Papa, Mommy love you.
Jano JY family, me I tell and say, I saw this video on the internet and I said, no, me have to come share it with you guys because me know say a whole heap of mothers and fathers out here going through pain and sorrow because they lost their child, their only child, or not even only child, but they lost their loved ones in a certain situation. You know, maybe not this type of situation based on what the lady is saying, in more ways than one. No, JY family, me I tell you, say, trust me, this is no joking thing, this is no joking matter, man. You can hear the pain, and everybody, me always say it, you know, some people will cry, some people will lay down, drop, roll ball, go on with what type of stuff. Yeah, some people, you know, cry, you know, chew out their sorrows, you know, after everything's like reality I hit them, you know. And then you have some people not crying none at all. It's just inside the pain that they are feeling, the everything that they are going through. Trust me, you can hear it in the lady voice. The lady said, look here, you were my only son. And the boy kill you and kill you, man. JY family, I did not search for the official story, right? To be honest, because I have very little time on my hand, but I promise you, I am going to search for this story and give you guys an update. And anybody can help me out with this story. It will be even easier because you don't know me always busy and thing, and I'm just doing my best. That's why I'm telling you, say, like the video, share the video, so we can reach a wider audience. But me did have to come highlight this, man. This is so sad. Yeah, man. So spam the comment section and tell me what you think. And as me say, you can reach out to me with the official story. 775-378-1640 JYTV WhatsApp. Yeah, man. Please don't shoot me a straight message. An SMS message. Don't shoot me a SMS message, all right? Shoot me in WhatsApp because depending on the country send that message from, I cannot reply, all right? So it's easier to text me on WhatsApp. That means you can get a reply unless you don't want a reply. Anyway, JY family, welcome back to the channel. As a matter of fact, let me make Kanaika tell them what to do.
This is Kanaika representing for Jamaica YouTube TV from straight out of Grangeville. Like, share, and subscribe.
Hey, from other day we have a major issue on the channel, you know. Because I tell the man themself is spank up the channel. Yeah, man, spank up the like button, spank up the share button like when they must spank them woman. And me get for understand say some man a beat them woman. Hey, the ladies them a reach out to me now. What it thugs them a deal with. You don't know if you spank the woman them. Come on, man. You know why we do a video and show enough if spank the woman them. Ladies, don't worry yourself, man. Then we're going to start spanking you in a proper way. So, spank up the like button, spank up the share button, and we'll go straight into it. Now, JY family, whole heap of things are going on. So, me are going to make you listen to this story that took place in Savannah Lamar, Westmoreland to be exact. Yeah, short name, Sav Lamar. Yeah, man. We are going to serve. This video is self-explanatory, so me not have to say nothing. So, me run it, and when you come back, we talk some more. Spam the comment section and tell me what you think.
Yeah, so we're at the Savlamar police station, and we have an incident here once again where a motorcycle was seized from a citizen of this country, and the police took the motorcycle to the Savlamar police station, and the young man was told to go and license the motorcycle. Went and licensed it, got his plates, licensed the vehicle, came back to the Savlamar police station, and now he was told that the motorcycle, which is a brand new motorcycle, is nowhere to be found at the Savlamar police station. Now this is the young man. Tell me what happened.
Okay, afternoon sir. Monday I go.
Which Monday?
Monday we gone.
23rd of June?
Yeah.
This year?
Yeah. So I go and buy the bike. I ride the bike, but
You buy the bike?
Yeah, I buy the bike.
Brand new bike?
Brand new bike. I mean not reach home. Police ain't take it from me. I just buy and take out the store. Drive it, they carry home, take it from me that a Monday. But my license Tuesday.
Yes.
I'ma come back for it Tuesday. And in time, they must say they don't give a bike on Tuesday, so then bring me around, they go look if they see my bike, and then say they not sure if no bike come there that a Monday. So they say, if you go check, then come around, if you go check if you see my bike, but I go around there, but I see bike.
Oh, you know so the bike was brought to Savlamar police station?
Because Negril police station tells me, say, they said bring it to Sam and Jamaica.
Did you see the bike at Savlamar police station anytime?
Yeah, I saw it Tuesday.
You saw the bike Tuesday at Savlamar police station?
Yeah, I saw it Tuesday.
Alright.
But then tell me, say, like how the bike there at the station, that a Tuesday.
Yes.
I must come for it that a Friday, that today.
So what happened when you come for the bike today?
So I come for the bike today. License not insure the bike, come for the bike today.
So your license not insure the bike and you come back for the bike today?
Yeah, because they say come for it today.
Did you get the bike when you come for it today?
They say they can't find the bike.
So they can't find the bike?
They say the bike got thief.
So the bike get thief from where? From the station?
From the station.
The Savlamar police station?
From the Savlamar
How is that
police
possible?
station. So I asked him, it's big.
The one responsible for the
I
bike.
asked the inspector how the bike get thief from it, but he must say no, because all the police, so the lady will take the bike, she go look for the bike at the station, but he must say the bike not did this, so then thief it. So I asked him, man, who I go over and see the bike, my man I say, if he go sue the government.
Oh, so they must say you must go sue the government for your bike?
Sue the government, because they don't know where the bike is.
They don't know your bike there?
They don't know where
So the police seize the bike, put it at Savlamar police station, and them tell us, say no, they can't find the bike, the brand new bike for your bike.
Brand new bike.
Andrew Holness, Right Honorable Andrew Holness, I needed to look into this for me, because, you know, these things can't continue in Jamaica, alright? Yes. Good.
No, I am looking forward for the people them that are politically blinded by the truth and the fact. JY family, anytime you bring an issue from it to do with something regarding the government, your goose just get cooked. Because they must strip naked in the comment section for you. But them say, today for me, tomorrow for you. Yeah, man. Until uno dey in the same situation, the table turn, uno go understand and put politics aside and look at it as people, humans going through things that the government can make a difference or make a change. So, I hope and wish that you guys share this video so it can reach the necessary person. Please and thanks. Slap up the like button, spank up the like button, please. Yeah, man. Now, JY family, I am going to show a lot of accidents that happen across Jamaica this morning. No, from last night to this morning. Okay, all right. So, first up, we're going to look at this accident that took place on the Mandela Highway involving people from all age group. JY family, trust me, these people need to sleep on the same side. Yeah, man, check it out.
Please make sure everybody alright. No hospital. No hospital, Lord. Nobody can hold my bus. Much as we take my time on that. Oh my God, the problems. When they come ground, help them, please, help them. But some come take up some. One next one there, one of our lines and one there, so Jesus, today Monday.
The thing shell out, man. Somebody left in there? The two bite them over there, so. Dog start tear from this, huh? I watch from now. This is for you, tear up, let the chip up. You come here. Do something from the ferry. Where was that, boss?
That one hop over Boulevard this morning too. Second one this morning.
You see me clean that carrier, so?
Now, JY family, as I mentioned, I don't have the official report.
Right, yeah.
You know, I saw some people going into the police van, you know, so maybe they are the ones that got injured in this crazy accident, you know. So I hope it's not serious, you know, not life-threatening. So spam the comment section and tell me what you think. Now we're going to move on and we're going to go to another accident scene where a major accident involving a coaster bus that overturned and two vehicles on the Boulevard and Mullines Road intersection. And again, don't know if there is any casualties or serious injuries at the moment. So check it out.
Who drive them here, brother? We have brethren who drive them here. And you talk about PPV, brother.
Now, JY family, trust me, it's crazy out here because the accident don't stop here. We are going to go over on another accident scene. Check the info, which part this one out. So this one happened on Germain Road, Port Henderson in Portmore. And it is understood that the driver of the truck were rushed to hospital after he collided into a vehicle with a lady and her two kids. Mighty God. I get to understand that the kids and the mother are okay. Check it out.
shocked. And I see not even one Mr. Patrick hold him after Patrick just help him out of the van.
Wow.
See my push up Patrick. I come in, did I come hard? I try to beat the stoplight.
Even look up in there.
And the little girl. Why be check for the little girl?
There's a little girl in it.
She come out.
Oh God. In the car.
So yeah, JY family, I have another accident report now. So 2 people lost their life in this one. 2 killed in St. Catherine crash. The St. Catherine North Traffic Department is investigating a traffic crash which resulted in the death of 2 persons. Those killed are yet to be identified. The crash occurred about 2:40 a.m. Monday along Old Harbour Road in St. Catherine. Reports are that a Honda Fit motorcar and a Nissan Altima motorcar were traveling along the roadway when they collided in the vicinity of Chedwin Estate. Both vehicles were extensively damaged. Drivers were taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where they were pronounced dead. JY family, I'm not spam the comment section. Me and Winsome tired to talk about this. Yeah man. So when you see the amount of accident, me go in a one video.
Police come on my yard this morning and search me yard. Me have view my camera, everybody mass up. So it seems like they come there to kill me for what I don't know. And people keep on attacking me involved in a Bima Boss thing and fine. And I don't know nothing about that. People have said me come off of the road from it happen. I come off of the road because I done threaten my life. And me start hide. A taxi man, 2 people call a done for me and they done threaten my life and me start hide. You understand? Me just feel free now to work my money and come back on the road and see what happened. Police come on my yard to kill me this morning. Boy, me I tell you, I pray me there, I pray. And hope.
So JY family, the brother here say right now, him life in a danger, you know, because legal masked gunman come on yard to kill him. So it's like him never there in yard and him circle the camera them and see what go on. So him a make it public know what go on. And him say at the same time them have it say him murder 2 men are responsible for them killing. And him say no, a taxi run, but one Dan threatening him. Boy, JY family, it's crazy out here, it's crazy, trust me. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. And if you have any more info and you don't know, you can link Jamaica YouTube and let me know what really are going on.
You're watching Jamaica YouTube TV, so we get it exactly how we tell it. No fabrication, you got it? So just like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and little bless outside saying, can well.
Me love Jamaica, me nah sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass.